Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. So today, we're going to react to Mapa. Ba't nanginig yung voice ko doon? Mapa Indonesian version by Aruma. No, again, Mapa is originally a song of SB19, and sobrang ano na yan to, no? Sobrang laki ng kantang to, no? Umabot sa iba't ibang bansa, but now we have an official Indonesian version, no? Pinost mismo to ng SB19 sa ano nila, no? Sa channel, sa Facebook. But yeah, now we are going to listen to it. I know we're not gonna understand this most probably, but we just wanna listen on the Indonesian version, no? But yeah, well, without no further ado, let's get it. Sony Music. Pinili ko pa talaga yung lyrics version, no? Lyric video. Alam mo naman talaga maintindihan ko. By the way, Pablo singing. Let's listen.
Mama, bagaimana kabarmu? Sudah lama tak bertemu, dirimu ku rindu. Selalu aku yang utama. Bolehkah kau tak mengalah? Kau berhak bahagia.
Hey, come on, man. Ulitin natin yun. Ang ganda pala ng ano, no? Ang ganda pala pakinggan ng language ng Indonesian. No? Ako lang ba? Ang ganda niya pakinggan sa tenga, no? Hindi kayo na-expect na magiging gano'n sa aganda pakinggan.
Mama.
Okay, yeah. Ngayon ko na-realize na merong, may picture ng nanay and baby, no? Ayun, no? Yung parang smear ng paint, I don't know. But it's like a silhouette of a mother and a baby, carrying a baby.
Bagaimana kabarmu? Sudah lama tak bertemu, dirimu ku rindu. Selalu aku yang utama. Bolehkah kau tak mengalah? Kau berhak bahagia. Kaulah duniaku, di setiap pada hidupku masih.
Wait. Just shut the fuck up, man. Wait. Are you saying that? Wait, what? I must be fucking bugging, man. I must be fucking bugging. That's pretty bad.
Kaulah duniaku, di setiap pada hidup.
That's my fucking boy, man. That's my fucking boy Stel. What the hell? Oh shit, man. We have Indonesian lyrics and version, like an official Indonesian version ng Mapa. Talaga. I thought, parang si Aruma is going to have an Indonesian version, which is, again, Indonesian ng SB19 as, hey, Aruma, we are giving you the permission to have an Indonesian version. Fuck! Akala ko ganun. Pero, man. I mean, I don't know why. I'm still shocked. Bago pa lang sila maging sikat na SB19, they actually doing this already. Like, they are singing like foreign songs, like with different foreign languages, di ba? Nabanggit nga nila yon. Minsan, halos walang naikinig sa kanila. Halos one week lang nilang inaral yung language para makanta nila. No? But come on, man. It caught me off guard, man. My boy still singing in Indonesian. Indonesian ba? Indonesian ba yung tawag ng language nila? Ano tawag na lagu sa
kau
kanila?
berhak bahagia. Kaulah duniaku, di setiap pada hidupku masih bernafas karenamu. Jangan khawatir, bersendarlah sebentar saja, lepaslah lala.
That's my boy Pablo, man. What the? Di ako makapaniwala, no? What the fuck? Come on, man. This fucking SU19, man. Always exceed expectation. What the hell?
Nafas karenamu. Jangan khawatir, bersendarlah sebentar saja, lepaslah lala, biar aku saja. Kau beri hangat dan buatku bahagia, mama. Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. La ta ra ta ra,
Oh,
la
shit.
ta ra ta ra,
Hey.
la ta ra ta ra ta
Let's
ra,
go,
la ta
man.
ra la ta. La ta ra ta ra, la ta ra ta ra, la ta ra ta ra ta ra, la ta ra la ta. Papa, apakah kau masih ingat? Waktu dulu aku masih kecil, kau persiapkan
Let's go, Josh.
aku untuk menghadapi kehidupan. Pesanmu selalu ku bawa sampai akhir waktu. Meski kita jauh, aku berdiri untukmu, papaku.
Come on, man. Ken.
Dalam hidupku,
The vocal, man.
Hey, yeah. Jangan khawatir, tersendarlah sebentar saja, lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. Kau beri hangat dan buatku bahagia, Papa. Lepaslah lelah.
Di ba wala yung kiti ko sa what the fuck? Man. Ang galing, no? Ang galing. Pinapakinggan ko yung the way mag-pronounce si Aruma, no? Ang language nila. Man, it's same, man. Inaral nila ito maigi, no? You see, kasi di ba, may mga foreign na minsan kumakain sila ng Tagalog, pero maririnig mo yung parang hindi talaga sila nagtatagalog, eh, no? Inaral nila yung lyrics, pero hindi sila nagtatagalog kasi yung the way nila i-pronounce yung like Filipino words, no? May malalaman mo, eh. Pero SB19, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not an Indonesian, no? Hindi ako nagsalita sa kanila. Pero, I'm saying this based on how I hear it, no? Na same, like the pronunciation, kung paano siya bigkasin, same kung paano binibigkas siya ni Aruma, no? So, alam mo talaga na inaral nila to, no? Hindi sila, I mean, to tell you, honestly, kanta na nila to, eh. This is a well-established song, no? Hindi nila kailangang, ano pa, no? Magpagod pa na mag-aral ng ibang language para na magkaroon to ng Indonesian version, no? But they still do it, no? You know, they're still always giving their 100%, even though, ano nila to, eh, no? Parang mission complete na nila to, eh, no? Man, come on.
Saja, lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. Kau beri hangat dan buatku bahagia, Papa. Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. La-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-la-ta. La-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-la-ta. Seluruh nafas takkan sia-sia, takkan aku biarkan. Ku akan menjelajahi dunia. Wow, sampai kapanpun ku takkan hilang arah, karena tujuanku jelas. Manapun ku pergi kan selalu ingat rumah. Wow.
Let's go, Ken.
Jangan khawatir, bersendarlah sebentar saja, lepaslah lelah, biar aku. Jangan khawatir, bersendarlah sebentar saja, lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. Kau beri hangat
man. Roma.
Mapa, lepas la la la, biar aku saja.
Come on, man. Alright, well again, that's SB19 and Roma, no? Mapa, Indonesian version. I mean, I didn't expect na magiging ganito yung reaction natin, no? Sobrang surprise ako, no? Na kakanta rin pala sila. SB19, kakanta rin sila, no? Hindi ko na-expect talaga. Wow. Just wow, man. Well, here we go, guys. That's our reaction for today. Hindi ko see you on the next vid, man. You guys are always awesome. Stay awesome, man. Peace.